Hello, welcome to the Lover of Channel. Today we bring you some things you must do when you travel to or find yourself in a new environment. Note, these tips are very important for anyone who intends to change their environment due to leisure, work, holidays, business, or just to gain new experience. And they can help you a lot. I personally love the last two tips, so stick around till the end to find out what they are. A lot of people around the world are moving so much these days, some for pleasure, others for better education, work, while for some, it's basically in search of greener pastures or for leisure. As people move to different places, one problem they may be faced with is blending in or surviving in their new environment. So, if you happen to find yourself in a new environment, here are some tips that can help you blend in. Number 1. Observe your environment and the people living in it. The first thing you should do when you get to a new environment is to observe the people in that environment. Observe how they act, their way of life, and how they do what they do. Take walks around your environment, most preferably during the evenings, as many people will be doing the same too. You could walk to the parks or anywhere you are sure to find people and just sit and watch. By observing them repeatedly, you can easily discern how that community operates. You can easily find out their norms and way of life. These observations will help give you an idea on how to act or relate with those around you. Number 2, copy the culture and behaviors of those around you. As you observe the people around you, find out how they interact and communicate with each other, how they go about their basic lives, and try to do the same thing where relevant. You do not necessarily have to copy everything they do and how they do what they do, but you can mimic the things you know will help you blend in with that community and aid your socialization. You can easily look out for how they respond to situations, their tone of communication, customs, and cultures, and try as much as you can to follow suit. You do not have to stress yourself over it, but you can always try to relate better. Number 3, ask questions. This is one problem some people may have when they move to a new environment: asking questions. Not everyone is hostile. Some people are nice and willing to do their best to provide solutions to whatever problems you may be having. So yes, ask questions. If you've got difficulty finding solutions, carrying out tasks, or whatever you need help with, ask for help. This is the best way to learn, trust me. Seek help from those who do it better than you do. Lastly, make friends. Everyone needs a friend, even in a new environment. You need someone you can share your experiences with at ease, someone you feel comfortable talking to at any time. To make friends in your new environment, you can start by being nice and polite to your neighbors or anyone close to you. With this, you make people more comfortable around you. And of course, everyone would love to be friends when they feel comfortable around you. Note that in trying to blend in, you don't necessarily have to become like those around you immediately. That is concerning how they speak and act as a community in general. But over time and with constant practice, you get better and become more comfortable with their lifestyle and their actions in the environment. Also, do not lose your uniqueness, values, and personality in your bid to blend in. You are trying to blend in, not change yourself. So blend in while being the best version of yourself. We are glad that you watched till the end, and for sure you learned some interesting tips. Do not forget to implement them, and most importantly, do not forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment in the section below some additional tips you think or may have tried yourself. Looking forward to seeing you next time. Thank you.